Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Taskbar settings directly. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and select Taskbar settings. Once done, make sure you're signed into an admin account so changes apply system-wide. You'll see categories like Taskbar Behaviors and System Tray. Focus on visibility and quick actions first. This gets you into the control surface immediately. The why is efficiency. Minimizing clutter reduces distractions and frees screen space for active windows and apps. You'll now adjust visibility to minimize the taskbar. First, toggle off unnecessary system tray icons so background apps don't occupy space. Next, open Taskbar Behaviors and enable auto-hide to reveal the bar only when needed. This keeps windows unobstructed. Then remove pins for apps you rarely use to shrink the taskbar footprint. These middle steps control how and when the bar appears, so you balance accessibility with a cleaner workspace and fewer accidental clicks. You finish by testing. Open full-screen apps and move windows across monitors to confirm the minimized taskbar behaves. If icons don't update or auto-hide fails, restart Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click Restart. Make sure to save work first. If problems persist, reset taskbar settings or create a new user profile to isolate configuration issues. This troubleshooting tip solves most glitches. It restores a predictable minimized taskbar without requiring a full
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.